We heard from so many clients and producers that they struggle to track laws by states and material streams, where laws are currently constantly evolving in each state. Our team listened to your feedback, and we have now created one single spreadsheet that tracks all of these EPR laws in one place. And we deliver this quarterly report directly to your inbox for easy access. And today I will walk you through what Legislative Compass looks like in action. On the first tab that you see here, we've put together a reading guide that helps you navigate the actual report, which you see in Update Q1 in 2026, and these will be updated by tabs as the year progresses. The instruction of use is there intuitive. You can filter by yourself for what you need to see and what's relevant to you and your business. The explanation of where the status is, we've color-coded that based on where it is in the legislative process. And here we have a glossary on material streams. So Legislative Compass tracks EPR and EPR adjacent laws. So we also cover labeling and right to repair and all important material streams. Then we also have chance of enforcement, where our H2 team of experts assess the likelihood of a law being signed into law. Here in the update Q1, you can filter based on what you want to see. So if you just want to see Florida, Connecticut, and Colorado, we can see that here, and these are the laws that are in movement as of Q1 2026. You can also filter on stream. So if you just want to see batteries, beverages, and household appliances, this is what you have here then, and you can scroll your way around. Then we have the status of law, which again is color-coded for ease. And then we have the chance of enforcement. If we look on the ones that are highly likely to pass, we have a law in Kansas and Oregon. And funnily enough, this has been signed into law 2 weeks after the launch of Q1. So this should be designed to be there intuitive and valuable to you. Our team is ready to assist. If you need any more information, you can sign up to Legislative Compass on our website. Let us know if you need us more. We are here for you. Thank you.